Good morning. Today is Wednesday, February 26th, 2025. I am here at Port 32 Marina, and this is an inspection video for Rogue, just inspecting the paint, checking to see if there's any concerns that I have. So let's go ahead and check it out. One thing that I did have a small concern about is just here at the stern of your boat. It looks like the ablative is underneath where the water line rests. During the summer, that's going to be a lot worse than it is in the winter. It's going to start collecting a lot of growth there. It might be a little bit harder for the divers to clean it up. Other than that, let's go ahead and check. I didn't find anything, but maybe again if I do another sweep with the video, we might. So I didn't see anything really bad while I was looking at that. Just this water line here at the stern. I'm going to go ahead and talk with the owners, see if they would like me to go ahead and clean it, because there is a lot of collection of dirt on it, and then we'll go from there.